Hello everyone. I'm not into I'm not used to doing these kind of videos, but I really wanted to go into it. I just want to say how you feel and how you think really affects your reality and how you live your life. It's not the other way around. So we used to think that our life is predictable and our reality and future is already known by the environment in the present moment that we live right now. But actually, it's not that. We have the power to change everything with how we feel and how we think. So every single day, every decision that we make every single day, even if it's a really small different one that we used to do, can change everything in our life and can change our current reality that we live in. So what we have to do is just take a different decision every single morning. Don't think about your problems from the night before. Just wake up and make a decision to make this day different from the day before and the day before. Do your best to be in a really good mood at the beginning of the day. Really do a great difference in your life by doing that every single day, and change a small decision every single day from the predictable you will really help you to change your life dramatically, and you will see it by your own eyes. If you don't believe it at the beginning, you will believe it when you see it by your own eyes. Just take a chance and do something different every single day to make yourself happier and change your thinking, and the way you feel every day would change everything. Yeah, that's what I really wanted to say in this video. I hope you'll like it. I just feel so motivated and so happy today, and I'm just listening to Joe Dispenza because he's one of my favorite like um inspirational persons in life. I'm so glad that I found him along with a lot of people. So I just wanted to share a small thing I tried by myself, and I really noticed a big difference in everyday life. So yeah, I really hope you like it, and if you love this kind of videos, let me know in the comment section down below. Maybe I will do more about that. So I'm gonna see you soon.